Hi everyone, welcome to my knitting and crocheting blog. Today I'm working on the socks and would like to show you how to make wedge toy with a Kitchener stitch. I will use contrasting yellow yarn. I have 40 stitches in total, 4 double-pointed needles, 10 stitches on each needle. Round 1, needle 1. Knit all stitches to last 3 stitches. 1, 2, keep working to last 3 stitches. Then knit 2 together and knit the last stitch. Then needle 2. Knit the first stitch, then slip, slip, knit, slip, slip, and knit through the back loops. Then knit all stitches to the end of the second needle. Needle 3. Work like needle 1, knit all stitches to last 3 stitches. 1, 2, keep working. Knit 2 together and knit 1. And the last needle, needle 4, work like needle 2, knit the first stitch, then slip, slip, knit, knit through the back loops, and knit all stitches to the end of the round. Round 2, knit all stitches, no decreases in this round. Knit all the stitches. Then repeat rounds 1 and 2 until you will have 20 stitches in total, 5 stitches on each double-pointed needle. 10 rounds in total in my case. I made 10 rounds and this is how the decreases looks like. Always knit 2 together at the end of the needle and slip, slip, knit at the beginning of the needle. Before we will make the Kitchener stitch, knit all the stitches from the first needle and divide all the stitches onto 2 double-pointed needle, 2 instead of 4. Cut the yarn, leaving a long tail. Insert the yarn into the darning needle. We have 2 needles, front needle and the back needle. Insert the needle knitwise to the first stitch on the front needle, then insert the needle knitwise into the first stitch from the back needle. Then knitwise and purlwise on 2 stitches from the front needle and purlwise and knitwise into 2 stitches on the back needle, and then repeat these 2 steps. Knitwise and purlwise into 2 stitches on the front needle, then purlwise and knitwise into 2 stitches on the back needle. I'm almost done. I have one stitch only. Hope this video was helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe if you like it. Have a good day and see you in my next videos.